Key fob programming for 2006 to 2011 Toyota RAV4s uses a basic radio frequency system for remote locking, unlocking, and panic functions. This process pairs the remote to your car, allowing you to control these features. This guide will show you how to do this without special tools. Note, this method will not work for RAV4 models with smart key or push-to-start systems, which generally require dealership programming. Here's a step-by-step method based on Toyota's service manual. Enter the vehicle with the key and close all doors. Insert the key into the ignition and turn it to the on position without starting the engine within 5 seconds. Turn the ignition off, then back to on within 10 seconds. Repeat this cycle 4 times. The doors should automatically lock and unlock, indicating you've entered programming mode. Immediately press and hold both the lock and unlock buttons on the key fob simultaneously for 1 second. The doors should cycle again. If you have additional fobs to program, repeat step 4 within 40 seconds. To exit programming mode, simply turn the ignition to the off position. Test each key fob to ensure it's working correctly. If it doesn't work, check for corroded BCM connectors or get the fob antenna checked by a mechanic.